What's up guys, welcome back to the question set 33 of the series dbms 1. So in this set we are going to determine the relationships between the tables, the database. So let's get started with the first question. Record the relationship between user and the user type. User and the user type. So here one user can only have one user type, while many users can have the same user type. So this belongs to one-to-many relationship. The many side should go to the user, and to the next question. Record the relationship between user and the gender. User and gender. So one user can only have one gender, while many users can have a specific gender. So it is a one-to-many relationship. The many side should be user. The next question, record the relationship between user and the system login. User and system login. So one user can only have one system login, and on the other hand one system login should be related to only one user. So this belongs to one-to-one relationship. Record the relationship between user and address in the ER diagram. User and address. User and address. So here if we consider one user can only have one address, while many users can have the same address. So it belongs to one-to-many. The many side should be user. To the next question, record the relationship between address and city. Address and city. So if we consider a single address, can have only one city, while a city, many cities can have many addresses. So it is one-to-many relationship. Many side should go to address. Sixth question, record the relationship between product and brand. Product and brand. So if we consider one product, it can only have a single brand, but if we consider a single brand, it can have many products. So it has a one-to-many relationship. Many side should go to product. Seventh question, record the relationship between user and GR in the ER diagram. User and GR in. user GRN. One user can generate many GRNs, but a single GRN can only be applied or generated by one user. So it is also a one-to-many relationship. The main side should go to GRN. To the next question, record the relationship between GRN and GRN item. GRN and GRN item. So if we consider one good receive node, it contains many items, good receive items. But if we consider one GRN item, it can be in many GRNs. So it is one to many. Many side should be GRN item. So the next question, know the relationship between GRN item and product. GRN item and product. GRN item and product. So GRN item and product. So it is a one-to-many relationship as well. So many side should go to GRN item. The next question, record the relationship between GRN item and stock. GRN item and stock. So here if we consider a single stock, it contains many GRN items. And many GRN items can be stored in single stock. So it is also one to many. The many side should be GRN item and single side should be stock. To the next question, record the relationship between user and invoice. User and invoice. So one user can have many invoices. So it is one to many, and the many side should go to the invoice. So if we consider this relationship, one user can have many invoices and one invoice can only be applied to one use only. So it is a one-to-many relationship. So if we consider the next question, know the relationship between invoice and invoice item. in the ER diagram. Invoice, invoice and invoice item. One invoice can contain many invoice items, while many invoice items, while a single invoice item can be in many invoices. So it also has a one-to-many relationship. Many sites should go to invoice item. To the next question, the final question: record the relationship between invoice item and stock. Invoice item and stock. So if we consider a single stock contains can contain many invoice items, and on the other hand only one single invoice item can be in a single stock, so belongs to one to many. The many side should be invoice item. So that's it. So those are the relationships that we have to determine. So at the end you need to forward engineer. And that's it for the question set 33.